With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. And the question says answer question number A to D on the basis of your understanding of the following paragraph and relate study concept. So here we have India today is facing the problem of overuse of resource, contamination of water and soil, lack of methods of processing the waste. The time has come for the world to say goodbye to single-use plastic. Step must be undertaken to develop environment-friendly substitute effective plastic waste collection and method of its disposal. So in this particular paragraph, it has been mentioned that we have to say goodbye to what? Goodbye to the single-use plastic. Single-use plastic, what does that mean, single-use? Single-use plastic means plastic which cannot be used or which cannot be recycled again, like spoons, they are made up of single-use plastic, etc. So how we can remove this from the environment? All this is about. Moving next, Indore getting 15 lakh metric ton of waste in just 3 years through biomining and bioremediation technique. Bioremediation involves introducing microbes into landfill to natural break it down, and biomining involves using trommel machine to shift through the waste to separate the soil and water components. So there is a term called as bioremediation. Bioremediation is a very important term because it is responsible for the removal of waste material, or we can say plastic, from the environment with the help of certain microorganisms which can create them. Moving next, the city managed to chip away 15 lakh metric ton of waste at a cost of around 10 crore. A similar experiment was successfully carried out in Ahmedabad also. Now we have to answer the 4 parts. First, state 2 method of effective plastic waste collection in your school. Like how we can collect the plastic in our schools. Collection of plastic in schools. There are 2 types of plastic. First of all, the one type of plastic which is recyclable, and the another type of plastic which is non-recyclable, or plastic which is one-time used. Plastic which is one-time used. So recycled plastic can be collected in the curbside collection. Curbside collection is a type of collection in which we can collect the recyclable plastic like the PET bottles. Whereas non-recyclable are those which cannot be recycled, which is one-time used, and they can be collected in the drop-off container, which will be disposed later on. This is the answer of the A part. Now moving to the B part. Name any 2 use of single-use plastic in daily life. In single-use plastic, single-use plastic is the polybags. Polybags are single-use plastic, they cannot be recycled again. Moreover, spoons which are made up of plastic are also single-use plastic. So this is the answer of the B part. Moving to the C part, if we discontinue the use of plastic, How can an environment friendly? So let's understand the use of removing plastic first. Plastic secretes some harmful chemical in the environment which can degrade the ecosystem as well as affect the health of individuals. So to remove plastic, what alternatives we can use? Instead of using the plastic glass, students can be informed to have their own bottles, which is not made up of plastic. Moreover, we can serve the food in plates made up of dry leaves instead of plates made up of plastic, and more other we can also use. Now the last part is, do you think microbes will work similarly in landfills like as they work in the laboratory? Which means that specific microorganism is required. Specific microorganism is required for the degradation of plastic. For the degradation of plastic, specific microorganism is required which can work in situ as well as ex situ, or we can say which can work in vivo as well as in vitro. In vitro is outside in the landfills, whereas in vivo is labs. So I hope you understand this clearly. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubt and App today.